welcome. If you have been watching my video and you have been mining this particular token called the Growth Network, I believe one of the major questions is that how can you add your BEP-20 USDT address, which is what I'll be explaining in this particular video. And not just that alone, I'll also be explaining how you'll be able to add your phone number, and also be looking at the possibility price by which this particular token will be listing. So if you have been following me, I think I'll be able to do a giveaway, because if I'm able to meet up with the withdrawal threshold of next month, so I'll be doing a giveaway to my community, to some of those that are actually active. I won't be saying it, but you just need to watch this particular video to the end. I don't know, let me withdraw by next month. I think I just started 4 days ago and looked at it. Be able to amass 950 of this particular growth token. And not that alone, for me to be able to qualify for next month withdrawal threshold, I have to have about the minimum of 3,000 particular amount of this particular token, which I think is very possible. So someone in my community actually asked that how can she add her BEP-20 address so that anytime she wants to withdraw the token, because every 10th of every month is when you'll be able to withdraw your token. Then by on 15, every individual USDT will be transferred. And they have actually told us that what we need is the BEP-20 address. So I've actually completed my KYC, because for some of you that you have not actually completed your KYC, you'll be seeing that you always be bringing that you should complete your KYC. Let me tell you how I was able to do mine. I used the voters card, and it actually went successful. And you can see here, you say KYC already submitted. That was what I used. So I snapped the front part, the back part, and I actually submitted, and I believe it has been accepted. So let's go to the price by which this token will be listed. I so much love this. Look at it. They say Grow Network expected launch price is around 0.9 cents, which is almost $1. So that's why I'm telling you, don't joke with this particular token. And I'll be making a lot of video on how I'll be able to amass this particular amount. And if you want to join my community, I'll be dropping my community WhatsApp in the description of this particular video, so that you'll be able to join. And also, if you want to join this particular project, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video, so that you'll be able to join. And every 1 hour, you could see that you'll be able to come here to actually tap on it and start mining. I have around 34 minutes for me to activate another new mining. Although I'm not always active, because I'm always very busy. So let's go to how we'll be able to add our BEP-20 address. So when you tap on that, you come to this particular place that says profile. You tap on profile. You see your profile here. Then what you will do, you tap on this particular place that says edit to update. So you tap on that. You could see here, this is where the magics now will happen. We have to put your number here. This is the wallet address, and don't forget it's BEP-20. You could see here it say BEP-20 address. So you want to use BEP-20. The BEP-20 means USDT that is under Binance smart chain that actually had. So you can, if you have Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Mex Exchange, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, you can do it. But let me show you when if you are using a centralized exchange. So I will be using my Bybit. This is my Bybit account now. Let me search for, what I'll do here now is that I'll tap on hard fund. It's still the same process with Bybit, KuCoin, anyone you want to do. I want to fund. I'll tap on add crypto. When I add it, then I know the fund I want to add it is USDT. You tap on USDT. You see it will bring different kinds of blockchains. Yes, you can see here that this one, you see this is BEP-20, say Binance Smart Chain. We have USDT on Tone Network, on Solana, on Track20, but all this one is not. This is the one that we need, which is BEP-20. So you tap on BEP-20 address. This is it now. This is the address. Then I'll tap on copy. If you go to Binance, it's still the same process. I'll come to this particular place now. I'll tap on it, put the address here. Is BEP-20. Then this particular phone number, let me tap on it. I'm in Nigeria, so I'll tap on it. I'll add my number. Let me quickly add it. So I've actually updated it. Let me tap on it, update my profile. You see update my profile have been updated. So if I want to withdraw by next month, every profile be has actually be updated. So you can do all this account verification likewise. Okay, they say all these one are still coming soon. They say this one too are still coming soon. So that is how you'll be able to add your matching for. So anytime we want to withdraw, I'll still be creating another video and I will be able to withdraw ahead of next month. If this video was helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime a new video. And don't forget, if you want to join my WhatsApp community, check the description of this particular video and join, because we have other wonderful projects that we have been talking about. Thank you and bye bye for now.